I've been shopping at Hobby Lobby for years, but I just found 7 hidden Hobby Lobby finds from the 2026 collections that I never thought I'd buy, or at least I never thought I'd buy them from Hobby Lobby. So these are the ultimate household gems most people are walking right past, even though they're currently 50 to 75% off. So we're looking at things from home organization to beauty hacks, and we're starting with a storage item that I almost missed, and I almost missed it because it is a very slim utility cart. It is a total 2026 home organization must-have for the low price of $7.99, and it's kind of like designed for those really limited spaces in your house, like in between your washer and dryer, where they have that teeny tiny gap in your pantry, your bathroom, or if you're running out of space in your craft room. This can be a solution perfect for that extra storage. Dimension-wise, it is 21.25 by 5 by 28. So I just kind of have these things in there for now. The little baskets you can find in the dorm section at Hobby Lobby. You can put all your craft supplies, markers, pens, scissors, or a little paint area where you have your paints and your paintbrushes. That would look cute as well, or your Cricut vinyl. Item number 2 is a foaming soap pump. I'm really excited about this one because I came up with a little water hack, and I want to say that if you are one that loves to save money, then you need this foaming soap pump. So I have tried a lot of these off the market ones, and it was always really hard to kind of like press down on the button and it wouldn't work correctly. And for the most part, you think you have to just buy them from the store and they are marketed that way. But then when that soap runs out, you have to go buy more of that particular soap. This is really cool because you can use whatever soap you have in here. And I'm going to tell you that it is like almost 98% water and just a few drops of regular soap. And it will lather. It'll give you like that foamy consistency. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the pump that injects air into the mix or whatever it is. But you're going to get this thick foam every time you use it with pretty much just like a teaspoon of like soap, like regular dish soap. So I use this Dawn soap. So as a crafter, I can tell you I am really excited about this because I'm going to use this for all of my craft room supplies because I don't want to have too much soap on one item because it just takes forever to kind of clean off your clear stamps, your brushes, but just having that little amount of soap in here, I can clean off my brushes as you can see right here. But then again, from like a household chore perspective, sometimes it's like really late at night and all the stores are closed and you just need some dish soap. So if you only have like a teaspoon of it and a whole bottle of water or the majority bottle of your water, you can kind of create like this entire system. So I love it. And it lathers really well. So it's not like you're going to have like these really grimy dishes because you get it. It's really soapy, foamy. It will work, basically. I'm going to move on to item number 3, which are the space-saving shoe stackers. If your closet is a mess or if you need some help organizing all those shoes on your shoe rack, then the space-saving shoe stacker is going to help you double your shelf space. So these are going to allow you to stack one shoe directly over the other. It is adjustable. You're going to get a set of 4 for $2.99. And I basically just use this to kind of store all of the shoes for like the treadmill. But if I knew what to expect from these when I was at the store, I probably would have bought a whole bunch of these and just organized all of my shoes and my actual shoe rack outside. So that would be really great. So that's something you want to keep in mind. Next up, let's talk about item number 4. And it's actually a compilation of them because I found a lot of different ones. These are the washer and dryer bags. So, there is kind of like this laundry hack that you've probably seen that's gone viral where everyone's using all these washer and dryer bags. So I found 3 different ones. One of them is going to be like a double or dual-sided bag. So it has zippers on both ends so you can put things in here. This is really nice too. Like if you have those really fancy socks that are pretty thin, or sometimes you have those blouses that have those really nice thin materials that you don't want to get like snagged onto jeans or anything like that. So it's really great to have these. They also had one for shoes, which I'm kind of on the fence about. So I don't know if I would throw these into my dryer, only because it has like these little styrofoam stuff in it, which is nice because it's not going to bang up your shoe, but I just don't know how well that's going to work with all that heat in the dryer. So maybe you can like leave it out to dry in this little thing. I'm not sure, but it's always good to have because you don't necessarily have to use it for that. You can also use it to store other things, like maybe you're mailing something out with bubble wrap and you want it to be extra cushioned, maybe put it in here. Next up, let's talk about item number 5, which are these satin pillowcases. Are they loud? Yes, for some it is. It kind of has like a dun 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 type vibe, but I really liked it because I think it has like a really nostalgic old school feel. Like back in the day when you took school photos, they'd be like, okay, what background do you want to choose? And for whatever reason, I always chose the most craziest background. So it kind of has that nostalgic feel to it, but primarily the price is right, 75% off, $2.99. You're getting 2 of these, and they're just not any pillowcases. It actually has some benefits. So you turn it over to the back, it's going to tell you it has a silky soft touch. It minimizes wrinkles. Like for $1.50 per pillowcase, I can minimize wrinkles. Why not? It prevents bedhead, and it also says cool touch, which is nice because we are heading into summer. And seriously, we have like the 100-degree type of heat, so I can ignore the circus vibes type thing if it's going to keep me cool at night. Let's move on to the next item, which is item number 6, vacuum storage bags. This is all kind of weird for me because I don't necessarily think about buying these type of items from Hobby Lobby. So I consider these hidden gems. These are gems because these are something that I normally always use, but at way better prices when they're on sale. I need to put all my winter sweaters away, primarily my Christmas sweaters. So I'm going to put all 4 of them in this little baggie. And as you can tell, they're stacked pretty high. And you just put them in here, seal the bag with this little clip, and turn on your vacuum cleaner. It compresses everything. And actually in this bag, I know I could have probably fit like 8 sweaters in here, but I wanted to kind of keep them by theme. So I only had the 4 Christmas sweaters. You could probably also put like hoodies and like little seasonal blankets in here as well. And then item number 7, cute graphic t-shirts. So I buy a lot of items to make clothing from Hobby Lobby, but now I guess I am also fashion shopping at Hobby Lobby. So finally, clothing. So yeah, I never really thought I'd buy clothes at Hobby Lobby, but it's cool. I'm not complaining. They have Hello Kitty, so I'm a huge Hello Kitty fan. I found this Hello Kitty shirt. I also found a Minnie Mouse shirt, a Tom and Jerry shirt. These are $3.74. So that is like such a great deal for all of these like licensed character type t-shirts. And then also they had this one for $3.24. The 7 hidden gems of Hobby Lobby. Which of these 7 hidden finds was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you want more 2026 clearance alerts, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next haul.